Welcome back. New video today, painting the truck bed. So that's about 3 coats of base coat so far. And yeah, you can see some terrible spots in it. Never said I was great at this. But, you know, for the most part, it looks good. So I 320 grit DA sand the whole thing to get the overspray of the bed liner off, and covered all of the bed liner the best I could. I got a little bit of overspray in some areas, but what are you gonna do? So this is a new dent that I tried to fill with spot putty. Didn't really end up too well. So when I picked it up with the crane, I was going up and these things hit the bed when I got it that high. So yeah, they're on both sides. This one's a little bit lower, but I think that one came out a little better. Sucks, but I used up all my paint on this. I think it looks good. I just got to clear coat it in 45 minutes. Let's see how that turns out. Might have to go get some more paint for the tailgate. We'll see. I got one of them eraser wheels coming to get all the adhesive off of that and the side for that stuff. I probably need another pint of paint anyways. I think I'm going to do the bottoms of the doors. They got a little bit of weirdness going on. Clean them up and just do one more thing of paint. Alright guys, I'll show you it clear coated, and you know, maybe we'll put the bed on. We'll see. Alrighty. Alright, it's done. It's clear coated and it's mounted. And I used the eraser wheel on that. Worked out great. Paint survived. There's still some dirt on here I might have to scrub off. But yeah, the eraser wheel worked. It was this kind. It had the little cogs on it, not the 3M one. This one worked well. Did both sides. Did an oil change on it. Working on cleaning the interior. But yeah, it is done. That didn't come out at all. So, you know, I might just end up leaving it. We'll see. See how funds end up going. If we can get back to work sometime soon. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So this will probably be the last video for working on this guy. I'll give you some updates on the POR 15 and this truck bed liner. So far it's holding up really good. I like it. I really do. Yeah, just need to get tags. And we'll get her on the road and take her for some drives. Other than that, I put the filler neck in. That was fun to do. But, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. So put that in there. Still gotta get some stops for this. There it was missing from the junkyard. Other than that, yeah, that'll be it, guys. Silverado project done and over with. See y'all next time.